Hello dear students, I am Laura Ellis and today I am going to explain you the future with will. In this video I am going to show you when you can use the future with the modal verb will. Will is a modal verb used for describing future plans, dreams, promises, and predictions. It's important to say that you are not sure if these plans, dreams, promises, and predictions are going to be real. El modal verb will lo utilizamos para describir planes futuros, sueños, promesas o predicciones. Es importante decir que no estamos seguros si estos planes, estos sueños, estas promesas o estas predicciones se vayan a realizar. Here I have 3 examples. In 10 years, I will buy a house for my mommy. In 10 years. En 10 años yo compraré una casa para mi mamá. Next vacation, my family will travel to San Andrés Island. Las próximas vacaciones, mi familia viajará a San Andrés Isla. In 2030, I will study English in London. In 2030, en el 2030 yo estudiaré inglés en Londres. We are not sure that these promises, plans, dreams are going to be real. No estamos seguros si estos sueños, estas promesas o estos planes se vayan a realizar. It's important to say that in 10 years, next vacation, and in 2030 are 3 times expressions. Es importante decir que en 10 años, las próximas vacaciones y en el 2030 son expresiones de tiempo. Estas nos permiten entender que estamos hablando de un futuro. Here I have other list of time expressions. For example, tomorrow, mañana. Next week, próxima semana. Next month, próximo mes. Next year, próximo año. In tantos months. In 3 months, for example. In 3 weeks. En 3 semanas. In 3 years. En 3 años. In plus the year. In más el año. The modal verb will is used with all the pronouns. I will, he will, she will, it will, we will, you will, they will. And the negative form of will is will not. And also it has an abbreviation, won't. Okay? Remember, you can use your favorite one. Okay? La forma negativa de will es will not. Este will not tiene una abreviación que es won't. Y tú puedes utilizar la que más te guste. Now we are going to continue with the structures. The affirmative form. The affirmative form has a pronoun, the modal verb will, a verb in present, and a complement. La estructura afirmativa tiene un pronombre, el modal verb will, verbo en presente y un complemento. For example, in 10 years, I will live in New Zealand. I, the pronoun, will, the modal verb, live, verb in present, in New Zealand, complement. Negative form. We have a pronoun, the modal verb will, in negative, will not, verb in present, and complement. For example, in 10 years, I will not live in Colombia. En 10 años yo no viviré en Colombia. Pronoun I, will not, verb in present, live, complement in Colombia. And finally, the interrogative form. Finalmente, la forma interrogativa. The structure WH, the modal verb will, the pronoun, the verb in present, complement, and question mark. I'm going to use this example. Vamos a utilizar este ejemplo. Where will you live in 10 years? ¿Dónde vivirás en 10 años? In 10 years I will live in New Zealand. En 10 años yo viviré en Nueva Zelanda. Let's analyze the structure. Vamos a mirar la estructura. WH, where, modal verb will, pronoun, you, verb in present, live, complement, in 10 years, and finally, the question mark. Okay, dear students, that's all for today. Thanks for your attention. Don't forget to take notes, and bye-bye.